guys! Want to collect leads automatically without manually tracking every sign up? In this video, I'll show you how to automate lead generation in System.io using a landing page and automation workflow. Step 1. First, create a lead generation funnel. Click Funnels, then Create. Choose Build an Audience, give your funnel a name like Lead Generation Funnel, and click Create. System.io will create an opt-in page and a thank you page. Step 2. Open the opt-in page and click Edit Page. Add a compelling headline, a short description of your free offer, an opt-in form asking for the visitor's name and email, and a call to action button like Get Free Access or Download Now. Save your changes and return to the funnel. Step 3. Now it's time to automate the process. Click Automation, then Workflows. Click Create, name your workflow Lead Generation Automation, and click Create. Add a trigger and select Funnel Step Form Subscribed. Choose the opt-in page you created earlier. Now, every time someone submits the form, this workflow will start automatically. Step 4. Next, click Add Action. Depending on your setup, you can choose actions such as add a tag to the contact, grant access to a course or community, notify a team member, move the contact into another workflow. Choose the action that best matches your lead generation process. Step 5. Save your workflow and make sure it's active. Then submit your own form as a test lead to confirm the triggers and actions work correctly. Testing helps ensure every new lead is processed automatically. And that's it. You've successfully automated lead generation in System.io. If you'd like to build landing pages, funnels, websites, and business automations from one platform, check out my System.io affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and turn on notifications for more practical tutorials.